Good afternoon, guys. December 5th, 2025. We've got a pretty cool machine here coming to you. This is a Takeuchi TL12V2. These are a beast of a machine, guys. That's all I can say. They've got the real big cab on them. Just lots of room in there as far as the cab. Big, long, wide tracks, super stable. They're just a beast. That's what I can say. This one runs particularly good. It's got super low hours on it. We'll show you the hours. Motor runs great. No blow by, no condensation or soot. Runs good. It's warm. Got heat, AC, and radio. I haven't seen any visible leaks of any sort. This one has a hydraulic quick coupler. No leaks in the cylinders that we've seen here. It's got a poly door glass. It's good for forestry work. Okay, not glass if that's poly. Real thick, looks like half-inch poly. It's got a good radio that works. It's super loud. There we go. AC and heat. I'm getting the AC out right now. It's blowing cold. We'll get the heat going here too, see how the heat works. Hydraulic quick coupler as we talked about. Got lots of features here, guys. You see the wiper blades are working. All these little controls are working as they're supposed to, guys. There's the hours, 775.2 hours on it. The heat's starting to come out. It's starting to get warm on the heat. Without further ado, there's not much more I can show you on this machine. Besides, let's go ahead and show you an operation of it, guys. It runs real good, and I want y'all to see that. Got a tooth bucket on it, big wide tooth bucket. All right, guys. As you can see, the machine runs and works as it's supposed to. Got lots of power there. This thing makes a real big footprint. So if you're trying to clear land or do something like that, even mulching, this is the machine to have, guys. Again, this is on the Takeuchi TL12V2. Nice, clean machine here, guys. So if you're interested in the machine, give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you very much.